Hi guys, welcome back to DevOps Project 6 Part 1. Guys, in this project, part of in this project, now we are going to installing and configuring Terraform in our local machine. First we need to install and configure. So next coming to AWS, already I have account, AWS account. See guys, I have launched this AWS account. So AWS account is ready. Now coming to key, we will create a key once we finish this Terraform and AWS CLI in our local Linux machine. So first of all, let me show you how to install and configure AWS CLI in Linux machine, guys. Yes, now, yes, this is my Linux machine. Yes, let me take IP address. Yes, this is the 254.129. Yes, this one. Just let launch this one. Login as a root and set the password. Yes. Now I'm naming this server. Yes, guys, I'm going to installing this Terraform and AWS CLI on Alma Linux 9.4. Yes, guys, you can install on Red Hat CentOS. Of course, CentOS is not available, latest one and stable version. And you can use Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, and Red Hat and Fedora also. Okay, guys. So in my case, I'm using Alma Linux. Host name CTL. Yes, Alma Linux 9.4. Okay, same guys. In the Rocky Linux also same, and the CentOS also same, in the Red Hat also same. Same command, whatever we are going to executing those commands. Those all commands you can install in a Red Hat, CentOS, and Rocky Linux and Alma Linux also. Okay, guys. Now I'm setting that one server host name CTL set icon host name. Just I'm naming that jump server exec batch. Now host name. This is the server name, guys. Now we haven't installed Terraform and AWS CLI. If you want to see that, yes, Python Python 3 m AWS CLI version. Here we haven't installed. Even there is no Python 3 module also. We need to install Python 3 module also. So now let me install one by one. Now I'm going to install in first Terraform. Yes. So I already have documentation. This is my documentation, guys. Yes. Apply the update command m update and hyphen y. Of course, already I have updated my server. Yes. Now we are going to installing Eagles packages. Yes. Installed. Now next step. Now we are going to creating HashiCorp repository. At present, we don't have that repository. Now we are going to add in. Yes. So repository added. If you want to see that ll space slash etc dot repos dot d. See guys, HashiCorp repo. Just now we have added. Now we are going to installing Terraform. Okay. Now Terraform version. Okay, guys. You can apply hyphen version also. Terraform version 1.8.5 we have installed on Linux AMD 64-bit. Okay. Terraform successfully we have installed Terraform. Now we are going to installing. Okay, if you want to update that, yes, you can update m update hyphen y. If any changes are there, yes, sorry, spelling mistake. M update hyphen y. Nothing. Okay, next. So m install Python Python 3 hyphen pip hyphen 1. Next, successfully we have installed pip pip 3 hyphen version. This is the pip version. Okay, Python package. Okay, next we are going to installing AWS CLI. Okay, yes, pip 3 install AWS CLI hyphen upgrade hyphen user. Okay, now, okay, upgraded. Now we are going to executing that version. Python 3 hyphen m AWS CLI space hyphen version. Successfully we have installed AWS CLI also. We have installed AWS CLI. Okay, guys. So here this part is over. Here we have installed. Here we have installed Terraform and we have installed AWS CLI and PIP also we have installed. Now coming to next part. So in this project, now we need to integrate AWS account credentials access keys in our local machine. In the local machine, we need to configure this one. Okay, guys. So first of all, open your AWS account. Now, sir, in the services or in the search box, IAM. Open this IAM. Click on this one. Then click on users. Then click on create user. Yes, name the username. Yes, in my case, I'm saying that CloudGen. Just click on that next. Yes, click on that attach policy directly and choose here AWS administrator access. Directly select this one, administrator access. That's enough here. Now click on next. Yes, now scroll this one. If you want to tag anyone, yes, you can tag, or else you can continue without a tag also. So in my case, I'm continuing without a tag. Click on that, create user. Now successfully we have created user. Now click on this user. Now click on the security credentials. Scroll down. Now create access key. Yes, select that command lines interface CLI and click on I understand the above recommendation. Just select this one checkbox and click on next. So if you want to description tag, or you can give, or else you can continue without a tag also. In my case, I'm continuing without a tag. Create access key. See guys, this is the access key and access key encrypted password. Now we need to take these two access key and this secret key. Now come to AWS CLI console. Now apply that Python Python 3 -m AWS CLI configure. Then now it's asking access key ID. So just now we have generated now. Yes, pick this one, select this one, and go to terminal. Just paste here. Now access secret key. It's mean password. Yes, this is the key. Copy this one and sorry, paste here. Now it's asking region. Yes, now we are in global region. Now just take one more new tab. Just I'm duplicating. Yes, click on services. Click on that. Just EC2. It will convert. Page will change. Now you can choose which region you want. Yes, in my case, I'm choosing AP South Asia Pacific, Asia Pacific 1. Yes, copy this one and move here, paste. And format JSON format. I'm choosing this one. Successfully we have configured. Successfully we have configured AWS S3 S3 LS. There's nothing guys. We don't have any kind of just I have applied one key for testing. So whatever we are having that S3 buckets, just I have listed my AWS account on the AP South region. So nothing is there. Just now I have created. Okay. Now, so this part is over. Okay, guys. Next part from from configuration level. So I mean that. So this one is over. We have integrated. We have integrated. Now we are going to working with the Terraform. We are going to working with the Terraform. So what we are going to developing for developing this environment. So we need to create one EC2 instance. After that we need to install Jenkins inside that instance. After that we need to install Docker inside this instance. After installing Docker, we are going to creating a container, SonarQube container, and we are launching that SonarQube. We are going to creating a container with a SonarQube. It's mean uh, we are the SonarQube container is there. SonarQube image, Docker image is there. So it will pull the from remote to local. Then it will create a container. Okay. Yes, it will install. It will install the SonarQube and its services, and it will launch the container. So then we are going to integrating SonarQube to with Jenkins. Then we are going to installing npm, Trivi, OWASP plugins, and already we have installed Docker. So we are going to set up in this environment. So first of all, we need to create a Terraform file, TF file for providers and for resources and for installing these softwares. Okay, guys. Yes, we'll see in the next video, guys. So thank you. Okay.